To change the default home page in Google Chrome, start by navigating to the website you want to set as your new home page. Once you're on the desired website, copy the web address by right-clicking on the address bar and selecting Copy. Next, go to the Google Chrome settings by clicking on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and selecting Settings. In the settings, go to the Appearance section and toggle on the Show Home button option, which will add a home button to the browser. Then, click on the Enter Custom Web Address button and right-click to paste the copied web address. This will set the home button to open your desired website. Additionally, to set your new home page as the startup page, go to the On Startup section in the settings. Select the Open a specific page or set of pages option. Then click on Add a new page and paste the web address of your desired home page. Click Add to save the changes. With these settings in place, Google Chrome will now open your desired website when you start the browser or click the Home button.